Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. This is not a kind of book which is a children book or coloring book. This is the kind of book which is a sort of like logbook or coloring book. Okay, so today what I am gonna talk about is the niche which is doing very well in the market, and you can definitely try your hands. Finding good profitable book niches on Amazon KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a book or a niche area that I have found that is highly profitable with a little bit of effort. So let's go Amazon KDP marketplace, and today's our first niche is silly coloring book. Silly coloring book. Here the results only shows 10,000. So obviously we can say this is a big niche. We do not work silly coloring book because if you publish silly coloring book but sale possibility is very lower, comparatively lower. Here there is a sum of coloring book also shown here. Here is another coloring book, mom's coloring book for stress relief. So we also search mom. Here is also results, 10,000 results, mom coloring book. So this is a big niche. So we do not work mom coloring book for stress relief. Here we also seen anxiety relief coloring book. Wow. Here we find out anxiety relief coloring book for adults. Here results shows only 2,000 results. So we can try to publish a book, anxiety relief coloring book for adults. So here we see 423 review. RBSR is 646, and we also check this book, also trademark and copyright. Anxiety relief, this is a trademark, and search. This is not a copyright product, this is not any movie or any logo, there is no. So trademark check, and also check book and search. Notice records were found to match the criteria of your query. So anxiety relief coloring book is a very good niche, and that is BSR is 646. We also check the income of this book. 646. Wow, per day sales 199 and per month sales 2978. So obviously this is a very big niche. Anxiety relief coloring book for adult. We also search. So we find out anxiety relief coloring book for adults, and our second niche is HORSE horse COLORING coloring book. Here results only shows 3000 results. Obviously there is a higher competition here. So horse coloring book for girls, we also search horse coloring book. Wow, here we also find out small niches horse coloring book for girl, and here results is 1000 results. So this is a small niche, and obviously we upload horse coloring book for girls and a lot of money income from Amazon KDP. So horse coloring book for girls, here is BSR is 48,540. So we check the book, and first of all we also check trademark, no trademark. So we also check this. Now check books and search. Notice records are found to match the criteria of query. So horse coloring book for girls, this is a big niche, and we also search this book income 48540. Wow, per day sales 6 and per month sales 94. So obviously this is a highly profitable coloring book niches with low competition. So guys, if you are found a profitable niche from my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. If you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing them. So what type of video you have to need, please comment in my video. Thank you so much.